Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use the sum if formula in Google Sheets. So here you can see that I have this set of data here, and first of all I will tell you that when we have to use the sum if formula. So in this name we have sum if, okay, means that we have to do the sum of some items or some values if a certain condition is true. Okay, so let's suppose that here you can see that in the items list here, okay, let's suppose that if I only want the sum of apples, okay, if I only want the sum of apples, that how many apples are there, we will use the sum if formula here. Okay, so first of all we will basically select a cell where we want to display the result, and then we will just type equal to, and then we will type here sum if and select the sum if here. Okay, so the first one is the range. Okay, so this is the range in which our item should be. Okay, so we have to basically select this whole range here because apples are in this range here. So we will select from start to finish, and then we will put comma, and then the second option is criteria. So our criteria is apples because we just only want the sum of the apples here, so we will just enter apple here but in double quotes. Okay, so add the double quotes here and type in apples. Okay, the spelling should be the same as here, and then put comma and then the sum range. Okay, then the values, then the quantities here, sum it and then close the bracket, and here you have it. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.